Hello friends, welcome back. You see, one thing that hurts the most is watching your fresh Scotch bonnet peppers spoil just a few days after buying them, especially when they are so cheap at the market. But what if I told you that you can preserve your fresh Scotch bonnet peppers for months without using a refrigerator, and they will still keep their original taste, aroma, and that spicy kick we all loved? Well, today I'll be showing you a simple but powerful traditional preservation method that not only save you money, but also keep your peppers ready for cooking anytime you want. So let's dive right in. First, get your fresh cut bonnet peppers, bright, firm, and full of flavor. You can wash them if you like, or use them just as they are. Now, place a pot of water on your stove and bring it to a good boil. Once boiling, pour in all your peppers. Then give them a gentle stir so that the heat reaches every part. Next, add just a small amount of palm oil. This little secret helps the pepper retain their rich red color and give them that fresh, glossy look even after drying. Cover the pot and let the pepper cook for about 2 minutes only. Not too long because we don't want to cook them soft. Just enough to heat and prepare them for drying. After 2 minutes, turn off the heat and strain out all the hot water. Now, take a look. See how vibrant and beautiful the pepper look already. Spread them out evenly on a clean tray and take them out to dry under direct sunlight. Depending on the weather, it might take around 3 to 4 days for them to dry completely and become crispy. If you have a food dehydrator, you can also use that. It is faster and more convenient. Once the peppers are fully dried and crunchy, pick out any dirt or unwanted particles. At this stage, you can store them whole or take it a step further like I'm doing and blend them into powder. To store them whole, simply divide them into smaller portions. Put them in nylon bags and seal tightly. Make sure it is airtight. That is the key to long preservation. Properly sealed, they can last for several months without losing flavor. And whenever you want to use some, just soak the dry peppers in hot water for a few minutes to soften them before blending. Simple and easy. Alternatively, if you prefer conveniency, go ahead and blend your dry peppers into coarse or fine powder, depending on how you like it. Then transfer the powder into an airtight jar, seal it, and store it in a cool, dry place. And that is it. Your homemade long-lasting Scotch bonnet pepper, ready for all your delicious dishes, soup, stew, sauce, and more. Now, you never have to worry about your pepper spoiling or the price going up at the market. With this traditional preservation method, you save money, reduce waste, and enjoy your spicy meal any time of the year. Now tell me in the comments, do you prefer storing your whole or as pepper powder?